everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, let's dive together into the world of automation on YouTube, a strategy that has transformed the way we manage our accounts and generate passive income. If you're familiar with this platform, you already know that YouTube offers incredible opportunities for those who know how to seize them. I'm excited to share with you my experience. By managing multiple anonymous YouTube accounts, I've managed to generate over $90,000 per month, exclusively through ad revenue. But that's not all. I've also developed other sources of income that have contributed to increasing my earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have all the keys to start your own journey to financial success on YouTube. We'll go through the essential steps, from setting up your account to creating high-quality videos using artificial intelligence, not to mention automating your entire production process. Get ready to be inspired and discover the secrets that will help you achieve your dreams of success on YouTube. But first, join the community by subscribing now to get all the upcoming tips and strategies. Don't miss the opportunity to grow your YouTube channel and achieve your financial ambitions. Click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Now that we've delved into this fascinating universe, let's explore the incredible possibilities it offers. But first, let's talk about this amazing story about the town of St. Olaf, Iowa, overrun by rabbits. I'll explain everything to you. Creating passive income may seem complex, but I'll show you where to start. As I mentioned earlier, the first step is to set up your YouTube account correctly. This is the foundation of your monetization strategy. Simply follow the instructions provided by YouTube to create your account. But I'll give you some tips to make sure you start off on the right foot. Take notes, as these tips can make all the difference. Once you've set up your account, you'll be ready to dive into the exciting world of automated video creation. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. How to use artificial intelligence to create videos and get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program to generate revenue. As mentioned earlier, the new AI tool I'm going to introduce you to has not yet been unveiled on YouTube. It was launched a few weeks ago, and I'm using it to automate several channels that earn me several $1,000s each month. To get started, it's essential to understand how this tool works. ShortX, as it's called, is a custom system that combines all the processes related to video creation, such as voiceover, script, and editing, through artificial intelligence. What really sets this tool apart are three main elements. First, it's fully automated. You just need to press a button to get a complete video. Second, each short video is unique and can be monetized on YouTube and TikTok. Finally, unlike other AI tools, ShortX produces high-quality videos that are truly enjoyable to watch. I'll now introduce you to the ShortX tool. Simply go to the website, create an account as usual, and the fun begins. Once logged in, just head to the automation library and choose a template at random. But don't limit yourself to these templates. Later, I'll show you how to create your own template to use this tool in any niche of your choice. When you select a template, you have access to many different settings. For example, you can choose to use the prompt suggestion to generate the video script if you wish. You can also use your own suggestion or paste your script if you prefer. ShortX uses GPT 3.5 for script generation. Although this may seem trivial, I know that writing good scripts with ChatGPT can be quite complex. That's why I'm working on a set of over 200 prompt suggestions, although this may not yet be finalized at the time of this video's publication. Here's one last crucial tip for optimizing your script. Make sure to provide precise guidelines on the length of the text to avoid unnecessary regenerations. Moving on to the image settings tab, you'll be able to adjust every aspect of image generation. If you want a specific style for your images, simply select the custom image style option and add your own custom instructions. It may seem like a lot of information to absorb. Now let's focus on the next step, choosing the AI voice. By accessing this section, you'll discover a range of voices of varying quality, some more affordable than others, while 11 Labs voices at the bottom of the list are reputed to be the best. If you follow my videos, you know that I regularly use 11 Labs voices on most of my channels. There's no better provider of synthetic voices than this one. Personally, I'll go for Clyde, as I particularly enjoy his tone. I won't dwell further on this topic, but on the right side of the screen, you'll find most of the settings that influence the appearance of your video. Although this may seem a bit complex, I'll make a few adjustments to get the desired output. In summary, you have the option to customize subtitles, remove unwanted particles, adjust transition speed, disable shake effect, and here's a handy feature: choose royalty-free music to avoid having to do it manually once the video is finished. Now that we've sorted out all the details, I'll simply press the Start Automation button. You'll then be able to watch the system in action, executing all these little AI processes to produce the final video. This should only take about a minute, so I'll fast forward a bit to save you waiting. Perfect, it's done. Let's see the results.
Heard in Boston? Yep, you heard that right. A massive massive tank containing 2.3.
Moreover, it paves the way for the creation of longer videos if you plan to upload them to TikTok to diversify your income sources. As I mentioned earlier, these videos are fully monetizable as they offer much more than just slideshows. They feature transitions and other effects that set them apart from any other AI content on YouTube. The next step is practically to upload the video to YouTube. As you can see, ShortX also generates a title and a suitable description. While this may be subject to debate, I recommend not dwelling too much on choosing tags, etc. I prefer to let the algorithm do its job to promote your content to different audiences. This is particularly crucial when you plan to publish a second short video. Make sure to select your other short video here so that it's recommended to viewers after watching the first one. At this stage, you should be practically ready and have published your first video. Congratulations on successfully completing this step. The first thing to understand, if you're serious about making money with this approach, is that it's essential to master the use of AI tools. Simply posting videos like this on a single YouTube account won't earn you $10,000 per month. Many think it's a miracle solution to get rich, but that's not the case. The key is to be smart in your approach. So let's think about it. What are the benefits of using AI? Why would someone choose this path? Firstly, using AI is cost-effective. By using tools like ShortX or other similar platforms, you can create videos for as little as $1 to $3. In contrast, a video produced by a team of editing, voiceover, and script writing experts would cost up to $50, which can be hard to keep up with, especially when you're starting out. Secondly, creating videos with AI is efficient in terms of time. That's where the real advantage lies. While the quality of the videos may not be as high as those created by humans at $50, you can make up for it by producing more content. By uploading more videos and leveraging the simplified production process, you can compete in terms of volume. It's practically a must. In fact, if this video reaches 5,000 likes, I'll share a tutorial on setting up a fully automated YouTube Shorts channel, allowing you to make money even while you sleep. There are also many other ways to use ShortX, such as selling finished videos on Fiverr, as demand has exploded in recent months. So feel free to comment if you're interested in that as well. That's it for today's video. Feel free to share in the comments which tool intrigued you the most and why. Share your experience. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Subscribe to not miss any of our upcoming videos. Give it a thumbs up if you found this content helpful, and share it with your friends and community. Together, we can reach new heights and build a future where success is within everyone's reach. Thank you for your support, and see you soon on our channel.